Yo, what's up? On the way to the homie's bonfire. I'm not really even sure if I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna ask him and see if it's okay. If it's okay, then cool.
Camera on the microphone and everything.
That's cool. What the fuck? Do I look good or not?
With a lighter, my nigga.
What the fuck?
She's one of the.
Yeah.
She comes to all my comedy shows and everything. Okay.
Okay, go. Okay, so 5 fingers. Only 5. Let's go.
I have 2 drinks in my hands. How the fuck am I
Finish one, nigga. No, you finish one.
Hurry up and finish that shit. Be in the town.
What the fuck?
Go, truck.
You know what? You don't have to go anywhere.
Got the influences. Let's go, yo. Yeah, finish that shit.
Don't be a pussy.
Don't be a fucking pussy. You wear an American flag shirt. You gotta go down that shit like
Light.
Hold on, I need a light. Hold the light up.
Right there.
You ready?
It's not working now. Oh, now I don't want to work. Oh, okay.
What the fuck is lighter?
only 5 is gonna be good. And now he's actually like.
Zamundo knuckles. This is Zamundo?
Hi.
Hi.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bueno. Hopefully the phone don't get up, the camera don't get up. About to cook my first hot dog on the bonfire. Wait a minute. I can't get too close. It's a little hot, so y'all gonna have to miss out on this. Hey, look, y'all. I'm barbecued. Okay, I'm done.
Oh, God.
They over there having fun like shit. Hey,
I can open it up first.
that's what she said.
What is going on?
Open it up. Exactly, I got busted open.
That's what she said.
Busted wide open, and I tell her bring it back.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
John, what the fuck is wrong with this thing, man?
Vince is trying to open it. He's having problems.
I can't see. Hold on, I'm turning the light.
Hey, Cat, my dog.
That's my dog.
She the homie. You got nails? Yeah. I can't grow nails.
There we go.
Hey, wait a minute.
Ready? Wait.
I'm vlogging. Okay, I got it.
Right now?
I got it.
Wait. Got it? What? Ready? What's up? Ready?
Let's go.
Alright, I'm ready.
Ready? Sauce.
Woo!
That's a vibe.
That's what a bonfire is supposed to look like.
Yeah, it's supposed to look like that.
But it won't last like that.
I know.
Oh shit.
Woo! Oh, my mic about to catch on fire. I'm scared to poke it because every time I did it would get on the ground. Vince lighting a fire. He's fire daddy. Hey, TR's vlogs first bonfire, motherfuckers.
Oh, that's great. I was like, what is going on?
I said the same thing. I was like,
That was your phone?
I was like, what the fuck is that? And I was like, what was my phone?
Look at that!
No one else busted it.
I always, it's knocking shit.
Which one's better?
Hey, hold up.
Mom on not sexy Asian girls, mom? Oh, for
I
real?
never had an Asian.
Go get an Asian girl, you over.
I want an Asian.
You know what I want to listen to? I
I'll
want to listen to something bold.
I just want to listen to Bad Bunny.
I'll just replace it with because John's willing to fuck whenever I want.
Right. You already got it. You try.
What the fuck is going on here?
Fine, I'll just have another girl that says, you think an Asian girl's mom's hotter than mine? It's okay,
You want
babe.
some
Let
chocolate?
me call Ming Ming.
I get a whole bar.
Why are you so happy? I don't care about you being happy.
Babe, you took another shot
I don't care
already.
if you care.
Babe,
I'm gonna be happy anyways.
Look at your silencio. Look here,
No
little
more,
sister.
babe.
Hey, I should introduce you to my other little
Oh,
sister.
I know what song I
Hey,
can
fuck
play.
off. Fuck off. Listen to this shit.
I
Want
just
chocolate?
said
I got a whole bar. What's up?
I got 3 chocolate. Hey, look, y'all want to be on the vlog?
oh my God, I love this shit.
Y'all want to be on the vlog?
I'm too sexual for being on a
Might as
vlog.
well be on the vlog.
So how does this shit work?
Hey, where the fuck is my little sister going? Oh, that dude left his phone.
Who, Remy?
So how does this shit work?
I'm drunk as shit.
Oh, I don't know how it works, but okay.
I don't know.
What's going on? Are you recording right
Hey, look, there's a fucking Honda here. I want to touch it.
You want
now? It's my cord. What you mean?
You
And
want to touch everything.
this is one I wanted.
Wait. You want to touch everything. What you want to touch?
I want to touch it because this is one I wanted, but I didn't have enough money to do it. And I didn't like the body, but now it looks great. Hey, I love you, man. What you gonna do? Oh.
Oh, shit.
Hey, you start tripping so well. Look,
Damn.
gang. Hey,
4th of
bitch.
July came early.
I got a knife, you
We're
motherfucker.
July right now. It's July 1st. Wait, what you doing 4th of July for real?
Working.
Working? That's
What-
all you doing?
What
You need
day?
time and a half at least.
This
Everything.
fire's about to get thick.
Don't.
Be ready. Hey.
Hey,
Hit record.
it's recording.
Oh, it's already recording.
You just came in time. It's about to pop off.
My nigga funny.
Just be happy I'm not that type of drunk right now.
Why? What happened?
You feel how wet my clothes is right now?
What were you doing?
They threw up on you?
No.
My nigga.
We put him in the shower.
Oh, my nigga, he was
Cold
that
water.
drunk? I'm drunk, but
That's-
damn.
This
Oh,
nigga is fucked up.
yo, for real.
Damn.
They knocked over the table and everything.
No, he is fucked up right now.
Hey.
Trying to be. Like, I know I'm fucked up, but I don't be going all that far with it.
I know. I get enough to where I'm tipsy, but I can still understand what's going on. I want a fucking slingshot. I know.
There is. They're in the cooler.
That's what I was looking
I
for.
wouldn't cook it on this ironwood though.
Why you say that?
I mean, you can, but like, I mean, it's gotta. It's gonna have that piney taste to it, like that.
I did. That shit was great. So I'm pretty lit. That fire was great. That's the first time. Like, I'm drunk as fuck. But that's the first time I ever had some shit like this. But I think that's it for me drinking because I want to make sure I'm good, like, on the way home.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.